Hey, how's everyone doing? 12:20, 12:20. What do we got? Well, we got the SPY goes outside on a day now. Okay, so that's probably going to slow some things down here. You got this big outsider. All right, we got down as low as 634.41. So that's about a $5 move there. All right, so they've come back a little bit, and here we are at that 630, 630 area right now. All right, so on your 60 right now, it just took a 60 up, but it's just been kind of wicking coming back down. So it's been this was the biggest, this was the move of the day, and then on the 4 hour, we went on the break on all the futures. All right, so there's your SPY coming back down right now, just chopping. All right, so not much to do there. All right, triple Q's, same thing. Did not go outside on the day here, but it would take the low of 566.87 to break that. So that's $2 and change away. It got closer. But that's about it as far as that was going to go. Diamonds have just been garbage all day. They are trying to fight back right now a little bit. It's got a 2-2 reversal on the 60 coming off the lows of the day. But you know the story there. All right, this is in the range that we're in here right now, and we're sort of kind of in the middle of it a little bit. All right, so nothing to do there. Nothing to do there. Month's not doing anything, okay? So everything's still sitting tight. I'm going to flip this over to the 4 hour, and then you can see that we went outside there on the diamonds. No actionable signals in here at all except for the week, okay? So we're still stuck inside week. I'd like to get the 212 week back down because this thing just cannot get it going. All right, so diamonds on the 4 hour, Q's on the 4 hour, and we're going to get this flip in 8 minutes, and we're going to be stuck inside pretty handily, okay? So sneaky Pete on both sides. You're going to be getting right somewhere in this area here when we open up in about 8 minutes, okay? And then SPY same way on the 4 hour. Okay, so there we are. So we're outside on the day and on the Q's, and then we're outside on the 4 hour. So we'll see. Again, that's just going to bring us in. It's going to slow things down a little bit, all right? Because you're going to have some actionable signals inside on those 60s for sure. Okay. Stuff that have been moving around today. Boeing opened on the high, or just about. It was like 240 and change. And got up to 242.69, and then it goes outside today. Okay, so there's another one where we're taking out the highs and taking out the lows of the previous day. And so here we are outside, and we're sitting down at 228 right now. We did get as low as 227.05, and this thing's hovering near lows all day. You got a big outside day here. That's really going to slow things down inside here. Could give you the 3-2 downer. I'd like that. I'd like to go back into this 220 range in here somewhere, 219.96 somewhere in there. But she's been really, really strong. She got an upgrade today too on that gapper up. All right, so Boeing's been moving. CRWV, it continues to give us price action. All right, but we're 2-2 down on the month right now, so you're going to have to wait until this month ends, which is not long far. It's a Friday. We will get a new bar. All right, so watching the Crew V, it did get down to like 105 and change here this morning. Okay, now it's an outsider on the 4 hour as well. All right, so everything's kind of be trapped inside there too. All right, so we'll see. If it takes, this thing might triangle out a bunch of times before it gets going. But at some point, I'd like it to test down to this 105, even that 100 number. I'd like to test that and see how it holds there. It hasn't gotten there yet, so we'll wait and see if anything comes of that. AMD has just been really, really strong today. Advanced Micro Devices has got up to 182.31. Now it's pulled back about 179.63. All right, so right now we're trading at that 179.30 area here. Coming back up on the 30 right now. This thing has been really, really good. All right, continuation to the upside on the monthly. Our next stop on there is going to be 187.93. So that's about $6 and change away. So there might be a little triangling out like there has been happening today. So you might get some more of that before it starts to go. Salesforce is a stock we've been watching, right? So this morning it ran up, boy. It got all the way up to 274 and change. And then she came all the way back in. So you got an outside on the 4 hour. There you go. Another one here where probably not going to get right till the new month comes. All right. So you have a hammer here, but it's a hanging man hammer, and it's outside. So we'll see. I just think that no touchy, unless it comes back down to the bottom of that range. That's not even near our range. I'm talking about 260, 266, 265, somewhere in there. Maybe that's a safe place where you can get some, but I'd be hesitant on this one, just waiting on that one as well. Nvidia is another one. It just ate too much too fast, and today it's been puking. Okay, simple as that. Stuck in the middle on the day. I don't see anything happening here too much now. And there's another outsider on the 4 hour. So we got a whole lot of them that are gonna slow things down. Okay, for sure, because you're gonna be a one inside. All right. Some of these nuclear stocks. Oklahoma goes outside today on a 3, stuck in the middle. All right, so that one's going to slow some stuff down too, and you got that outsider on the 4 hour as well. That's basically the same until this flip in 3 minutes. Okay, because we will get a new bar coming in there. All right, so there's your Oklahoma SMRs, real good one too. Trying to get better here on 49.57. This thing was much higher, was up to 52.81 today. But this thing's hanging in there pretty nice, coming back up, fighting. Okay. Tesla puked right out the gate. Gave it up. It's an inside day. All right, that's an actionable signal. We'll be looking to see what that wants to bring us tomorrow. No outsider on the 4 hour. You got the week that's kind of given way here a little bit, but still 3 days to go. We got lots of earnings coming and lots of economic data coming out the rest of this week. So it's just going to get more rowdy as we go, and we got Powell as well. All right. Apple is just, pardon my term, but farting in the wind, man. That's what's going here. Just can't seem to get it going. This is the daily here. It's just whatever you want to do here, Apple, but she cannot seem to hold gains, and that's just the way it is. So we'll see if Apple can get any better anytime soon. So Boeing. What else here? Some of our industrials, just horrible. There's your triple M with the inside day with the shooter down on the month. Just not going anywhere. I mean, it'll move up, and then exponentially it will fall right back down. And then we got Home Depot, same way. All right, Home Depot got the shooter coming down now with the day here stuck inside with the so we get these actionable signals. We'll see if diamonds really want to start to do something either way, either start breaking or trying to start go. It seems like it'd be a lot easier for them to break it down than to try to go back up to those highs again, because every time we get there, it's failure. But you keep knocking on the door enough times and you will get it. Utilities are a little bit better today. The financials are down today, and it's very quiet too. Volume's pretty low as well. So industrials are 2-2 down on the day. Who picked up their head today? XLP picked their head up a little bit today, and maybe they're acting in a little bit of a defensive way because the markets are coming down now today, as we start to get a little bit better here now. But we'll see. All right, it's an outsider. Another one with an outsider is going to slow everything out inside tomorrow. You're going to get the one. Coca-Cola kind of made a nice move and kind of sputtered out again here. This was a nice move by Coca-Cola here from the beginning of the day, and then she went into Chopville. All right, another one that was good there was KDP, Dr. Pepper. Came out ripping 3-3 on this guy. So expando. How about the 3-1-3-3? We're expanding like crazy. All right, just creating bigger triangles for which to hide in. Okay, so again, that's going to slow some things down as well. All right, so that's kind of the group here. Silver was trying to get a little better, some of the metals, but they kind of sputtered out too. Healthcare has been a little bit better today. XLV, it's got a decent day. It's just trying to get into yesterday's business, trying to come back up, but it's holding up pretty good. It's actually down 56 cents right now. All right, so got up to 135.09. Not much going on. Pretty quiet. My WT, I got stopped out yesterday, and boom, back down. I'm thinking if I was going to get back in, I'd be looking at 12.97 on this break coming back down here. All right, that might be a decent spot where you get some support levels there. All right, dollar keeps going up, and the 10 years keep going down. So we got that going for us. The VIX isn't doing anything, and that's really about it. I'm gonna leave it there, and I don't know if I'll be able to get a video to you at the end of the day today, but I will definitely be chatting you up in the morning. All right. So either way. All right. So everybody, be good. Be good.